Hello friends, welcome my channel. Today we will review about Mahindra Scorpio N car. Price. It is priced between 12.74 rupees lakh and 24.05 rupees lakh, ex-showroom pan-India. Variants. The SUV is available in 4 broad trims, Z2, Z4, Z6 and Z8. Colors. The Scorpio N can be had in 7 color options: Deep Forest, Everest White, Napoli Black, Dazzling Silver, Red Rage, Royal Gold and Grand Canyon. Seating capacity. Mahindra offers it in both 6 and 7-seater configurations. Engine and transmission. The Scorpio N can be with 2 engine options, a 2.2-liter diesel unit, making 132 PS and 300 Nm or 175 PS and up to 400 Nm based on the variant chosen, and a 2-liter turbo petrol engine, making 203 PS and up to 380 Nm. Both these engines are paired with a 6-speed manual transmission as standard. The more powerful diesel and petrol units get the choice of a 6-speed automatic gearbox as well. The Scorpio N gets a rear-wheel drive setup as standard, while the 175 PS diesel is also available with 4-wheel drive. Features. Mahindra's SUV boasts an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, dual-zone climate control, cruise control, front and rear cameras and a wireless phone charger. It also gets a 6-way powered driver seat, single-pane sunroof and semi-digital instrument cluster. Safety. The safety kit contains up to 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, hill assist control, a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, and electronic stability control ESC. Rivals. Mahindra Scorpio N competes with the Tata Harrier, Safari and Hyundai Creta/Alcazar. It is also an off-road capable option to the Mahindra XUV 700. Boot space. The Scorpio N's boot space with all rows up is almost negligible and there is space only to fit 2 or 3 backpacks. Even when you fold the third-row seats, the folded seats takes up almost half of the luggage space. So, despite the large size, the Scorpio N has a relatively small boot. Performance. The Scorpio N comes with both petrol as well as diesel engine options. The base diesel spec makes 132 PS of power while the higher variants get 175 PS. The petrol on the other hand, comes with only 1 tune and makes a mighty 203 PS of power. Both engines come with automatic gearbox options, but 4x4 is limited just to the diesel motor. Specification of Mahindra Scorpio N. Fuel type diesel. Engine displacement 2,198 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Max power 172.45 bhp at 3500 rpm. Max torque 400 Nm at 1750-2750 rpm. Seating capacity 7. Transmission type automatic. Fuel tank capacity 57 liters. Body type SUV. Ground clearance unladen 187.